Hello guys, this is Secret again, and this is part 3 now. Okay, so these are part 3 now. So now we are gonna make more designs. Just wait a little bit. I'm coming. So now let's bring this to slide left, and when I press this yellow button first, name button, and bring the dot here, and go to auto animate, tap trigger to tap, and this, press down the password button, password to this. If I press password, then password to this, and bank number to this. Now let's try it. Wait a minute, not here. Try from here, select this, and get started. Press get started. Look, sign in 7. Look, here is the animation, and here is the logo. Sign in, Shamal. So we forgot something here. Wait a minute. We need to go to the correct layer. Here to here, here to here, like this. Let's preview it. So now let's preview it. This is the best bit. You have to preview it, get started. Sign in and animation. Sign in, name 778IP, password 677 and 77864. So we made this, but now it's time for the rules. Look, if I just want to talk, just go to that blue button again, and we already have the button here. Look, the line here to the next start port. If you want to send us to the triggers to keypad, look, so this key and gamepad means on your gamepad or the keyboard you can press a button and it can go there. So now it's telling me press a key to access it. So I'm pressing if I press Control M, then let's try it. Look, let's try it now. Look, now I press Control. Look, I cannot touch it. Look, nothing is working. But if you now press Control move M, so you come here by the key triggers. Now you see, and if you want to add voice, just go triggers and voice. You can even add voice. Look, next page. If I want to go, I will say next page. Now let's preview it. It will say command here. I will put the command next page. Voice, the triggers to voice. And now let's preview it. Look, the typing button is not working and the buttons is not working. Now we have to use the voice button and press the space key on your bar. And now I will say what was I say? Next page. And I go to next page by the command. Press space key and enter your commands, like when you write there, and it will go to that page. And another way, if we send us now to drag and drag, and now what will happen? See, look, I can drag it simply over there. We made a funny animation here now, but the drag might need to be Ease in. Auto animate. Look, look, look. If I drag, look, I drag to the left side and it take me to this page. Look. And but we are not ready. Now when we press enter here, and when you press enter now, go here, go to this artboard, this the last sign in artboard, then drag it here, but the way by the keygrams and press enter. Now let's test it. Look, go to home again and get started. Okay, name, password, bank number, and press enter. So you're here. So this is the website, more things, and here you can put your components. That here's the design prototype. Share, you can create a link and send it to WhatsApp so you can see, and you can send it into Google Chrome too, but by another way. And design a view, you can, I told you, you can make a scrolling animation too. So you can make a scrolling animation too, and you can make anything like here. Look, a lot of things can be made in Adobe XD, but XD do not work so much. First make the button, make the app in XD, but then just shove it to everyone and shove it to the coders, and they will code it in HTML, CSS, this website. So this is not for the real website code, but we have to send it to code. Okay, so bye. And I think my video has not come for 2 weeks because you do not like and subscribe. So like and subscribe, and more videos will not come here. Funny videos like that, push the videos and more things. Okay, so subscribe and support me and like this video and comment I like your videos, and please support me and review this, and bye. So this is part 3, don't forget.